Here it is. That's a mineral manual by Salchak. It has just arrived. Initially, I thought I'm not gonna buy this book because I thought it was just another book with like list of minerals and their properties. But then I seen it everywhere around, so I started to be a bit tempted. And today we're gonna look what's inside. I like how the package is made. It has like a protection zones here and here, so hopefully the book is all right. So the packaging was perfect. The book perfectly fits into the box with the bubble foil, so it was nicely protected and there is not even like a single damage. There are two options. You can buy like hardcover or soft cover. I choose hardcover just because I like it more, but there is the other option which is a bit cheaper if you prefer that. So now let's have a look inside. That's actually the first time I'm opening the book. I just quickly go through to see what's in there. If you have a look in the content of the book, you can see it starts with a bit of background information, like general information about how are minerals formed, what is like a chemical classification of minerals, chemical bonds, how you read chemical formulas, how you classify crystals, 7 crystal systems, all the habits, shapes, understanding things like luster, optical phenomena, stuff like that. Many interesting info here. You have some practical information for collectors, like handling minerals, how to store minerals, labeling, display consideration, what to avoid, what to do, what not to do, all this kind of stuff. Honestly, I never seen so much knowledge about minerals in one place. Then you have chapters about mineral species. There is, I believe, more than 200 of them. And what I really like here, that except of some standard stuff like mineral properties, you have also information telling you how rare is the particular species. And this is very useful when starting mineral collection, because then you can easily distinguish what's rare and what's maybe a bit more common. At the end of the book, you have this like a nice table where you can tick specimens you have collected. This is how it looks like. And after that, there's the last chapter with glossary, with basically like explaining terms from like mineralogy or geology. This can be quite helpful. And I can also see now there is like some other interesting books or online sources to follow, just to deepen your knowledge. But as I said, if you read the initial part in this book here, you got pretty much everything you need. So as a conclusion, I can only recommend this book, even if you are not that deep into science behind minerals, me neither, to be honest. Even then you can find many useful information in there. One more thing, Salchak has started to work on another book, this time about mineral fakes, and now, knowing how good is this one, I'm really looking forward to it.